مرحبا Miss JJ's awesome sixth graders. كيف حالكم؟ بخير؟ شكرا because you tuned in to watch our new lesson. Boys and girls, as promised, this lesson is going to be about making your own appetizer, and we are going to be talking about a delicious, authentic salad. So what we're going to do, I don't know if you remember, but we talked about it at the beginning of the unit, and I remember all my students were so happy. This is when, boys and girls, you are going to share your favorite appetizer, and you are going to be able to list the ingredients and use verbs in Arabic on how to make them. All right? Shukran one more time for attending today's lesson, and هيا نبدأ at our learning target. I can list the steps to make an authentic salad. So who is going to help me unpack the learning target? Which words are important, do you think, in this learning target? Mumtaz. List. Yes, I can list. It means there's going to be a list. You are making a salad, or we're going to see how to make the authentic salad. There's going to be a list of ingredients and steps. You know, steps also are going to go in the recipe. The list could be, for example, we need Laban, we need khyar, we need nana. And the steps, you know, you're going to learn the steps, like how to wash the vegetable, cut the vegetable, you know, mix it in a container, etc., etc. All right, boys and girls, so هيا نبدأ. First thing I want to show you are the verbs you are going to learn in order to be able, you know, to use while making your salad. So these are the verbs that we will be using. I cut, I add, I mix, and I taste. All right? In Arabic, I cut is uqatter, uqatter. And why do I have the alif here? Why? Because the alif represents me, I. All right? I cut, uqatter. I add, أضيف أو أضيف. I mix, أخلط. I taste, أتذوق. I cut, أقطع الخيار. I add, أضيف اللبن. I mix, أخلط الخيار واللبن والنعناع. I taste, أتذوق اللبن بالخيار. Look, boys and girls, at these pictures, and let's repeat the verbs one more time. أقطع الخيار. أضيف الماء. أخلط اللبن. أتذوق اللبن بالخيار. ممتاز. Some sixth graders, I want to tell you that in class we are going to be watching videos about how to make the laban bikhyar, and also you will be learning additional words. Everything is in the study guide that, of course, I will be sharing with you. And last but not least, what is really exciting is the end project that you are going to do at home. All right, because you are going to be making your own Laban khyar, and you will be taping, videotaping, listing all the ingredients and using the verbs that we learned. So I really would like to see you face to face or virtual, because I have lots of fun activities for this lesson. All right? Okay, I want to say thank you, boys and girls, and I will see you soon. Shukran. Ma salama.